Welcome to Spiedel's Federal Tax Minute. I'm your host, Catherine Zidane. This week we have an update on Trump accounts, which are now active and can be accessed via a new app. Sign up for Spiedel's quarterly federal tax update webinar, and you'll get reliable and pertinent updates on trending tax topics. Get details on this subscription webinar series and register for a full year of updates or just the upcoming session on July 22nd at spiedel.com under webinars. At the end of May, the Department of the Treasury started sending activation emails to authorized individuals who elected to open Trump accounts. Everyone who made an election should have received an activation email before July 4th, 2026, when the accounts began accepting contributions. Authorized individuals who made an election either using IRS Form 4547 or online at trumpaccounts.gov on behalf of an eligible child need to activate their Trump account before contributions can be made. The Department of the Treasury has warned taxpayers to avoid scams. Official activation instructions will only be sent via email from no-reply@trumpaccounts.treasury.gov. The Department of the Treasury will not reach out via telephone, text, or regular mail. Authorized individuals who receive official activation emails should follow the instructions in the email to set up and activate the child's account. Authorized individuals who have not received their activation emails should check the status of their election through their IRS online account to make sure the election was successfully filed. They can also call the Trump Account Call Center for help at 866-872-4547. The Department of the Treasury launched a smartphone app that's available through the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. The app can be downloaded now, and once the Trump accounts receive funding, taxpayers can use the app to check on the status of their investments. Additionally, the app includes 6 learning pods aimed at increasing users' financial literacy. However, at this point, we don't know if the app's features will be expanded in the future, for example, so the app can be used to manage investments, or whether children will be able to access the app to view and learn about their own investments. The IRS's online account features have been expanded to incorporate Trump accounts. Taxpayers who visit trumpaccounts.gov to open an account and/or make a pilot program election are directed to their own IRS account online to complete and submit Form 4547 electronically. Additionally, taxpayers can use their IRS account online to view the status of their Trump account elections. The Department of the Treasury has announced the initial investment funds taxpayers can choose from to invest their Trump account funds. All contributions to Trump accounts will be invested in the State Street SPDR Portfolio S&P 500 ETF. This fund tracks the performance of the S&P 500 index. Additional low-cost index ETFs are available for taxpayers to choose from to diversify their exposure across major market segments. But the ability to invest in these additional funds won't be available for at least a couple of months, so all contributions will remain in the State Street SPDR Portfolio S&P 500 ETF until the additional funds are available. Spiedel has numerous upcoming live webinars on a wide range of topics, such as IRC Section 174 research and development, effective retirement planning, IRC Section 1031 exchanges, understanding the business interest limitation, and more. To see the full list of offerings, go to spiedel.com and click webinars. That's all for this week. Join us next time for another episode of Spiedel's Federal Tax Minute.